How to Delete TikTok Profile Photo 2025 Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Mastery. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or remove your profile photo on TikTok, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your TikTok profile page. Step 3. Edit profile. Now tap the Edit Profile button just below your profile picture. Step 4. Tap Change Photo. Tap on your current profile photo where it says Change Photo. Step 5. Remove the photo. TikTok doesn't have a direct Remove Photo button, but here's the trick. You need to replace it with the default blank avatar. To do this, choose Take Photo or Upload Photo, then select a plain blank image, like a white or black photo from your gallery, or take a photo of a plain wall. Step 6. Save changes. Once you've selected the blank image, tap Save. Now your TikTok profile photo will look empty, just like having no photo. Tip: TikTok does not allow you to fully delete a profile photo and leave it empty like some other apps. Replacing it with a blank image is the best solution. And that's how you delete or remove your TikTok profile photo in 2025. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and drop a comment if you need help with any other TikTok. Thanks for watching.